Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to turn off dial pad sound on your iPhone in your iOS new update. To turn off your dial, whenever you open your phone dial on your phone application, then while dialing the number, you can see the sound of the number. To turn this off, what you need to do is open your settings you have in your device. From there, hit on the sounds and haptics and scroll the sound to the minimum. Once you do that, your device will be on silent mode, and whenever you dial the number, you will not hear any sound. So in this way, you can turn off dial pad sound on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.